Hi guys, I've gone as far as I'm going to go with the police car, Lamborghini Veneno police car conversion to hobby grade radio control. I didn't put LEDs in it. I could have put LEDs in the hood and police lights there, and I could have put LEDs up here for lights and that sort of thing, but I'm not going to do that. What I am going to do is take it apart again so that I can make use of the servo and the hobby grade receiver and the ESC. In the next project. So take all that out again, reuse that. Chassis is the wrong size for the next project, which is this thing. So I've already started work on a new chassis for that. Zeppelin. So what I'm going to do is put this one back together and donate it back to another charity shop. There, on there. Okay. I often get asked why I don't just cut up the plastic chassis for the hobby grade conversion, and the honest answer is you're going to end up cutting so much of this out, and then you've still got to add the steering onto it anyway. It's just simpler to do a new chassis. Same with the back end. You'd have to do a fair bit of work to that. It will then be too thin to be serviceable. So just put a new chassis on. So there we go. Back to friction power, flywheel power, call it what you like. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.